What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video today, and today we are doing something I'm very excited for. We're checking out the Ranger again. I told you I'd do more truck vlogs, and well, here I am. We're gonna do more truck vlogs. So I'll show you the new radio in a second. Here's the radio. I just bought a Pioneer MVH-S320BT. It's got Bluetooth and everything, which will replace this old Pioneer radio that my grandpa installed, and it doesn't have Bluetooth. It doesn't even have an aux cord. It's kind of a crappy radio, I'm not gonna lie, but my grandpa didn't really listen to radio music, so, you know. But look at that. I mean, look how fancy that looks. I mean, it looks really nice. So, we got the cords that plug into the back right here. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm bad cameraman. And then, even, this is kind of cool, we got a little microphone that plugs into the radio in the back, I think right there, this circle thing right here. And it plugs in so I can have Bluetooth calls, which I might not use as much as I'm thinking, because I'm sure this isn't probably a super quality mic, but, you know, maybe I'll use it, I don't know. So, yeah. But first, we gotta uninstall this radio. I already removed the front piece because it was going, is like shaking, and it was making a really annoying noise, so I ripped it out this morning, and I was like, shut the hell up! So, and then we gotta take the frame off. So this is a removal tutorial for pretty much any Pioneer radio. Why can't I get this frame off? There we go. So, you gotta take the front off, and usually it's just, my button's right here. It's this little gray button right here, and it like comes down, and then you can rip it off, because it's on these little things right here. Then you gotta remove this part, and then put my other radio right here. And then we gotta get keys, but I also know butter knives work if you don't have any of these keys, but hopefully these will fit. If it doesn't, then I'll use butter knives. I watched a YouTube tutorial on it. I'm gonna put my camera down because I can't get the key in with one hand, and I don't know why. I might have to get my butter knives out. Maybe these keys don't work or something. For a different radio or something. I don't know. Do they make keys for different radios? Hold on. I'm just gonna put that down for a second. Hey, I got it. Got something out of this bright light. I'm sorry if it's like weird on the camera. It kind of looks weird, but not too bad. Okay, we're gonna try and rip it out. I wish I could like both knives in there. Honestly, I don't really care about breaking this radio. I gotta put this thing farther back, or I'm gonna keep hitting it. Hopefully that works. I don't know, but it's so hard to get. I think I just broke something. Yeah, I did. Okay. I can't get this fucking thing out. After a little bit of anger, this piece of shit fucking radio is out of here. Woo! Alright, look at that. It's beautiful. It's just perfect. Alright. Holy shit. Holy shit. Alright, now we'll pull this thing out of here. We need to get that out. Which I don't think is going to be too hard. Right? I don't think so. But after I've learned, apparently pulling out a radio, never mind. I was going to say it's harder than I thought, but it's not that hard, I guess. Cut back to me screaming. Well, there we go. Now we'll get this thing all set up, and then I'll put her in and put it on camera so I can, you know, show it to the world. But yeah, we finally got this thing out. I don't know, maybe we'll do some destruction with it later, because this, I don't really care about, and it made me pissed off. So yeah, alright. I'll be back. Alright, so now we're wiring it, and I have a pretty good idea where, where all they go. So we're gonna test this out. I can't really, wire it and hold the camera, so I'll try my best to get you guys some footage. Alright. Got the first wiring nut on. This is, like, I'm pretty sure the ground cord, or ground wire or whatever. So yeah, this is my ground. Okay, so yeah, next wire. Second wire is on right there, so we're gonna get the third one in. It's kind of a long process, but it shouldn't be too long on camera. But it's not a terrible process. It's kind of easy, but you don't want to mess it up, so it's not totally easy, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's move on. Third wire is in. We got this like pumpkin wiring nuts. Yeah, but moving on to the next one. Hopefully we have enough wiring nuts. I think we will, but all right, next one. Third one in. I used a different wiring nut, so hopefully we have enough of them. How many wires do we have left? We have like 13, and I've used 4. Oh shit, we probably won't have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we do not have enough. I can tell you that. We have like 3 left that will fit. Alright, well, I'll go search around and see if I have any more, but other than that, I'll keep moving on. It's looking good so far, I think. Alright, we got all the wiring set up. Oh, I probably can take this old one off now. Or can I? Oh, I reconnected one of the wires. That's hilarious. Alright, well, I'll go fix that problem. I got all the wires connected and everything. These ones didn't need anything, because they'll be like, if you have like they're to the antenna, if you have one that goes up and down and stuff like that. I don't have that. And then this one doesn't do anything unless you have like a remote to do it. I don't know, a remote for your radio. I mean, maybe that's normal, but I don't think that I mean, that's kind of weird to me, but yeah. Other than that, we'll pop the sucker in here, and maybe we'll actually be done. Like, holy crap. And here's the old radio wire. Actually, I'm gonna go put that in the back where I put the other parts of the radio. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna destroy this, probably gonna keep it, maybe for parts, or maybe if I sell it. I got really mad at it. I was like, I'm gonna destroy this thing. So yeah, my cat's screaming in the background. I'm gonna go back in my truck. And there you go. Now we don't have to listen to him. Yeah, but should we plug it in and just see if it works before we pop the whole thing in? Yeah, no. We'll just finish it, and then if it doesn't work, oh well. Then I guess we'll take it out again, right? Oh god, that'd be terrible. But yeah, here we go. All right, so I shoved all of them back there. I zip tied them so they're nice and not in a whole wiry mess. We plug this wire into this part of the radio. I'm pretty sure it looks like the best part for it. Then the phone thing that I was talking about earlier goes into that hole, I'm pretty sure. We'll figure it out. I'll look at the instructions one more time. And then we plug that thing into this thing. I don't really know what anything's called. I just know what it works for, I guess. Or, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to use my words good. So then we'll do this. This bag came with a bunch of screws, but I don't see in there where I screw it in. You know what I mean? Like, I think the other radio was just clipped in. But, maybe it's different. I don't know. But I think I'm just going to clip it in, if that makes sense. I hope that's not a stupid idea, but I don't think I really need to screw anything in. I think that just came with if a different car needed me to screw it in. So, yeah. We'll put that together, I guess, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to look at the instructions one more time, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I took this off, and now it's like, it's in, it's nice and good, and nothing's moving or anything. So now, we plug in this right here to this. Then, you know, I explained it already. I was right, by the way. If I mean, now I sound like I was right, by the way. No, I mean, I was right when where I want to plug in everything. So, yeah, that made sense. So that's where the phone thing goes. Ta-da, we got the phone thing now. We'll put the cord. Here, I'm gonna put my phone down for a second, because I can't really see, you know. Alright, everything is plugged in pretty good. I might, like, tighten that thing, because I'm just a little worried that it's not plugged in fully. And then we'll push that thing in. We'll put the thing back on. You get it. Alright, so put my phone down again, because I need to see, you know. And there's a vehicle going on in the background, so I hope you can't hear that, but if you can, don't worry about it, it's fine. It's just a vehicle, so, yeah. Look at that. So everything's plugged in, I pushed it in, so now we're going to put the plastic cover back on here. And the phone thing, oh crap. If I ever want to, oh, never mind, I got it. Okay, I was just about to say, it's in where the key thing goes. And my wire, my phone wire, I was like, oh no, it's in where the key thing goes. Now, if I ever want to remove this, I'll have to cut the phone wire out. But, no, we're good. Alright, so we'll plug that thing back on. Hopefully everything is still plugged in back there. I think it should be. I didn't really mess it up, I don't think. What the hell? Okay, 1 second. Alright, now for the final compartment thing, for the final part. So now, we got this. Look at that! Ooh, that actually looks really good. And then my little Bluetooth microphone, my fancy Bluetooth microphone, is going to go right there for now. It's going to go on the thing right there. See, that looks good, right? For now, it will go there. I don't know if that's a permanent spot. But now, we're going to start the truck. I'll be back. Right. So I know I'm in the passenger seat, but this will get better footage. Oh, it turned on. Holy shit, okay. Oh, okay. Guys, I never thought this was gonna happen. I gotta check what time it is so I can set my clock right. Oh my god, it actually worked. I mean, yeah, duh, it actually worked, of course. Okay, that's good. It is... Oh shit, it's not fucking... Oh shit, I gotta go back. It's PM, and then that's good, and then it's, oh, now it's 8:11, okay, quit, sure, it's 8:11, okay, so we'll go to like, okay. System. Language. Okay, English. No. I don't speak Spanish. I might be in Spanish, but I don't speak it. Okay. So that's good. Clock set. We got that. USB auto on. Alright. Auto app connection. Okay. USB, okay. Oh, scroll set? What? Scroll set. Beep tone on, okay. Info display. Source. Aux. Okay, aux is on, that's good. That means I can play music. That's the only reason I bought this thing for. And Spotify, and Pandora, BT, Mem, clear on, app control. Alright. Yeah. I'm good. Yep, thanks. Nope, no, don't turn anything off. I don't want anything off. Okay. Holy shit! Oh my god! So now it tells the right time because I didn't know how to work the time on my last radio. So now it tells the right time. Okay, so now it's technically 8:13. I should probably set this. Oh, shit. Okay, let me set my clock because now there's a super easy way to do it. How do you set this? Scroll set? Oh, no, that's not. Clock set, okay. Okay. 8. It's 8. What the hell was that? I thought I heard something. It's 8:13 right now. And when it turns 14, I'll be ready. I'm watching it on my computer right now. And this is like a little fun game. 14. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Now go back to menu. Menu. There we go. Holy shit. That's actually really fancy. Look at this. Go to my menu or whatever. Clock set. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm good. And it just fucking does that. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. So now I can plug in my aux right here. I can charge my phone in there. So I don't need to use the cigarette lighter anymore. Even though I probably will. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Holy shit. Wow. Like, I was excited about my lights, but this... I'm just kidding. My lights are so much cooler. But, I mean, come on. It's pretty cool. Alright, well, my camera just stopped randomly. That's great. Yeah, but now I am done. Like, my radio is complete. Everything's so much better. Holy crap, guys. You have no idea how amazing this is. Like, I'm gonna play with this so much, and I'm just gonna be like, how do you work Bluetooth? Like, I'm gonna figure all this out, but thank you guys for joining. I hope you enjoyed the great experience we had. Me getting angry because I couldn't take my old radio out. Me wiring the wrong thing. Or wiring one of the wires back to the old thing. And, like, praying to the Lord that I have the right wiring and everything. And it worked. It worked. I can't believe it. So now, I'm going to play music and see if it works. Here we go. Alright, hopefully this won't get copyrighted. But we're about to play some music. Alright, my camera just stopped. Oh yeah. I picked lo-fi beats. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is so sick, guys. I'm so happy right now. Like, I was gonna make a joke like, oh, next is speakers, but honestly, this is good enough for me. I don't even need new speakers. This is dope. I'm really happy. This is actually super cool, guys. This is so awesome. So, yeah. We're gonna listen to some lo-fi beats at 15 so you guys can hear me good, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more. Because we're doing a lot of truck vlogs recently. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Wonder what this is.